वाहिगुरु जी का खालसा, वाहिगुरु जी की फतेह. Hello friends, welcome to Sikh History Sakhi podcast. I am Harpreet Kaur, your host. In the last episode, after answering the various questions of Sheikh Sharaf, Guru Nanak Dev Ji and Pai Mardana Ji went further to Delhi. Delhi is the capital of India. A lot of history is here. This ancient city is soaked with the sacred blood of many thousands of Sikh jewels. The brave and fearless martyrs who died purely and simply to maintain, defend, and fight for the most noble of human causes. Delhi has also been mentioned in Sri Dasam Granth as बंग के बंगाली फिरंग के फिरंगा वाली दिल्ली के दिल वाली तेरी आज्ञा में चलत है. मीनिंग द बेंगालीज ऑफ बंगाल, द फिरंगीज ऑफ फिरंगिस्तान एंड दिलवालीज ऑफ दिल्ली are the followers of the command of the Almighty. Now, Guruji and Pai Mardana ji sat near a garden. And then, as always, there was divine singing. After the Shabad Kirtan was over, the sound of someone crying reached Guru Nanak Dev Ji's ears. The benevolent Guru and Pai Mardana ji went to find out who was crying and why. They saw a man sitting beside an elephant and was crying. Then Guruji, who had come to end the sufferings of the people in this world, asked, as written in Sri Nanak Prakash, बूझन लगे कौन दुख पारी, जिसते तुम रोवत त्रितहारी, किन मारे कै खोसन कीने, निज कर्मन गत लेह न चीने. Meaning, what happened to you, my child? Why are you in so much pain? Did someone beat you? Or was something stolen from you? The person looked at Guruji and realizing his saintliness, firstly he bowed and told Guruji very humbly that my elephant has died. He was my only livelihood. I am worried, what will I earn now? How will I live? What will my family eat? This was the favorite elephant of the emperor. I don't know any other work. I am worried what will happen now. Then Guruji replied, my dear child, do not worry. The Almighty is merciful. He never leaves his beings alone. He cares for all. Pray to the Lord. The Almighty is the giver and taker of life, provider of livelihood. If He has closed one door, He will definitely open another. And said, as mentioned on Ank 724 of Sri Guru Granth Sahib Ji, तू काहे डोले प्राणिया तुद राखेगा सिरजनहार, जिन पैदाइश तू किया सोई दे आधार. Meaning, why do you waver, O mortal being? The Creator Lord Himself shall protect you. The Lord who created you will also give you the nourishment. Guruji further said, you are crying over an elephant. Your emperor will buy another one. The keeper said, the king may be angry with us because his elephant died because of our negligence. Then this was our only source of earning. Today we will be out of job. Then when another elephant comes, we cannot be sure whether we will be retained or somebody else will be given the job. Then Guruji said, as mentioned on Ang 955 of Sri Guru Granth Sahib Ji, नानक चिंता मत करो चिंता तिस ही है, जल में जंत उपायन तिना पिरोजी दे, उत्थे हठ न चलई, ना को किरस करे. Meaning, O Nanak, don't be anxious. The Lord will take care of you. He created the creatures in water and He gives them their nourishment. There are no stores open in water and no one farms there. Then why do you worry? The keeper acknowledged the power of Guruji and understood that he was no common saint. He prayed to Guruji, I am the servant of the emperor and you are the servant of the Almighty. You only can help me. Please help me, I beg of you. He said, as mentioned in Sri Nanak Prakash, करो संत जी ए उपकारा, दरवेशन की बान दयाला, हम ते अपर न दुखी बिसाला. He begged again and again. The kind Guru was moved and asked Bhai Mardana ji to bring an earthen pot filled with water. He did as told, and then Guruji told Bhai Mardana ji to say Satnam and sprinkle water on the elephant. With the life-giving power and sensation of the Lord's name, the elephant stretched its body, opened his small eyes and stood up. The keeper was extremely happy and bowed to Guruji for blessing him and helping him. And he said, You are the Almighty Himself. Soon the word spread like fire that the emperor's favorite elephant, which was dead, is now living again. Moreover, that it was due to an extraordinary saint. The emperor had already been informed about the death of his elephant. But the news of elephant living after death shocked him. He sent his men to check whether the news was true or not. After the confirmation, he himself came to meet Guruji and asked him to kill the elephant again. Tune in next Tuesday to know why does the emperor say so. I hope this brings some value to you and your family. Thank you.